Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is the fourth video of a mini series where I'm cleaning silver coins. And as you see, for the fourth episode of this video, I have picked a professional silver coin cleaner. And stay around because I will reveal in the end what kind of method I use to clean those silver coins. If you see, it doesn't even take like 20 seconds to clean those very tarnished coins, and it is much cleaner. I have picked a few silver coins. Maybe this is not the very professional tool what I'm using here right now, because it could damage the silver coin. But as you see, and as you have seen initially, this coin was very tarnished. So in this glass we have the solution, and on that one there is just pure water because I don't want to keep the coin in that solution. This is my 10 mark from Germany, and this is extremely tarnished. Let's see what it does. So there is no scratching needed anymore. There is no shuffling or vinegar or baking soda required for this one, because this is actually losing the tarnish right away out from those silver coins. That's actually unbelievable. And in my personal coin collection, I have a few more tarnished coins, like this Germany 5 mark and this 500 lei from Romanian coins. And maybe this is a better example. This is from 1944. Let me try to clean a bit from here. There is clearly a big difference. That's unbelievable. If you shuffle a bit with microfiber, even those heavy tarnishes are getting away. And from the initial coin, what this looked like, this is almost in a perfect condition, except that few dots of tarnishes from there. Many of you might know the powerful Hindenburg coin. If you are a silver coin collector, that's the default that you should know, especially in Europe region. Unbelievable. This is like unbelievable. Let's see now the other edge. Far from Hindenburg, now upside down. Now let's put it in. So there is the huge question why this solution is not so common, because the coin collectors, they are not really liking to use silver coin cleaners. And here is the last one. It's one shilling. It's crazy. Like, it was less than 10 seconds and it cleaned it. Let me polish it. It's almost in a perfect condition. It's almost in a perfect condition. It's very beautiful after this cleaning. Right, so now let's talk about the solution. The solution is anti-quacks, what I picked from eBay. I will leave a description here. I will leave a link in the description below. This is a silver jewelry cleaner, and it's an anti-quacks silver dip. But if you check the health and safety, and I would recommend to stop here for a second, this is very harmful. It is not based on acid, but suspected of causing cancer. This is not a life insurance, in my opinion. Suspected of damaging an unborn child. Okay, whatever that is your meaning. So if you are already into silver coins and you want to clean it professionally without any special acid, you can use the silver coin cleaner, because somewhere it is stating that there is no acid involved. Yes, it is an acid-free formulation that will remove tarnish from silver coin, actually from any silver. So yeah, I have ordered this for like less than $10, but I will leave the eBay link and the link for the company who is producing, because on their website it is a bit cheaper. By the way, this is not sponsored by them, and I'm just sharing this out for you because I'm cleaning silver coins. So yeah, this is the result of it. I'm really happy with the result, and I just moved the solution out from that container in that glass that you can see it. If you would like to see similar videos, or if you think that solution was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button and leave your comments below. I have actually one more episode left where I will clean the silver coins with electrolysis, and if you wanna see that one as well, just hit the subscribe button.